Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutaranji from Sanjini College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Department of Pharmacognosy. Friends, today we see analysis of unorganized crude drug by chemical test. This analysis is there, we have to be studied by a concept that is a virtual practical lab. So let's start analysis of the unorganized crude drug. Friends, what do you mean by unorganized crude drug? Unorganized crude drug means the drug where the organs of the plants or drug is not present, means not a single cell. Cellular structure is present. Cellular structure from root, leaf, bark, fruit, stem or any other part of the plant, not a single part or not a single cell from that the drug is present is called unorganized crude drug. Organ is absent. Unorganized crude drugs are the material which is having a structure that is fairly uniform throughout and are not composed of cell. Means what that contains? For example, your beeswax, is there myrrh, is there gums, are there mucilage, are there extracts, are there where the cellular structure is there is not present. Such type of the drug is called unorganized crude drug. Friends, if you are new to this one channel, request you to subscribe my channel. Now let's see what is this one. Asafoetida in Marathi is known as hingo. The synonym of this one drug is devil's dung, hingo, gum asafoetida. Biological source of this one as asafoetida is a oleogum resin which is to be obtained from the root and the rhizome of the plant Ferula foetida, Ferula rubricans, Ferula asafoetida. All these are there that are belonging to the family Umbelliferae. Now, what is the physical properties? The color is there is somewhat yellowish brown to reddish brown. Odor is intense, pertaining persistent alicious odor, or we can say that agreeable odor is there, taste is there, is somewhat bitter, acrid, alicious. Shape, it occurs in a two form where tear form and masses forms are there. Tears are there that are rounded, flattened, more or less agglutinated together. The size is there is about 0.5 to 0.4 centimeter in diameter. Solubility is practically soluble, partially soluble in alcohol. Chemical components. It contains resin. Near about 40 to 60% resin is present, such as asa-resinotanol. Asafoetida by its name, asafoetida. Asa, resin, and tanol. Asa-resinotanol in a free or combined form is present, where ferulic acid, pine, vanillin, and asa-resin are the main active chemical component which are to be present. Then gums, about 20 to 25% gums are present. In volatile oil is there is about 4 to 20% is there. Then it also contain, as you know that there is a agreeable odor, we can see that alicious odor is there. So it is a isobutyl propyl uh, propanosyl disulfide which use alicious odor. This is the main component is there which is responsible to give alicious odor. Now uses, why drug is used? The drug is used as a carminative, laxative, antispasmodic, nervine tonic, anthelmintic, and digestive. For this purpose, the drug is used. Now, that is first you have to collect the drug from the market, then transfer the powder into the test tube. Asafoetida powder is transferred into test tube. It is to be treated with the sulfuric acid. When it is to be treated with sulfuric acid, it gives you a reddish brown color. This is the first stage. When asafoetida is to be treated with 50% nitric acid, that gives you green color. Emerald green color is obtained with 50% nitric acid. Next, when asafoetida is to be treated with sulfuric acid, or it is to be saturated in a mortar with sulfuric acid, just saturation is there in one direction, you will get a reddish brown color. Next one case is there when the asafoetida is to be treated with alcoholic extract of asafoetida is to be treated with hydrochloric acid, and to that one when you have to add fluorouracil, you are getting a pink coloration that indicate the asafoetida is present. Next one is there when you have to be burn that asafoetida on a flame, you will get yellowish color flame is there is obtained. Next one, when asafoetida is to be saturated in a mortar pestle along with sand, and to that one if hydrochloric acid is added and water is there is to be added, when it is to be saturated in a mortar pestle, filter it, and to that one filter if you are going to add strong ammonia solution, a bluish fluorescence is obtained. Just see the bluish fluorescence. Have you observed? Just this is the bluish fluorescence. Again, this is the bluish fluorescence is there is we obtain. This is the taste for asafoetida. Okay. Now the next one drug is there is a benzoin. The benzoin is to be naturally also obtained, and it is to be prepared by synthetic reaction. The benzoin which is to be obtained naturally, it is somewhat brownish color or grayish brown color is there, and the one which is to be prepared by synthetic reaction is white in color. The synonym of this one benzoin is Sumatra benzoin, Loban Siam benzoin. These are the two forms of the benzoin is there. Siam benzoin and Sumatra benzoin is there. The biological source of this one is a balsamic resin, which is to be obtained from the incision of on the stem of the Styrax benzoin or Styrax phalloraceus or Styrax tonkinensis. All these are belonging to the family Styraceae. The properties of this one is color is somewhat grayish brown color or grayish masses is there to be found. Odor is somewhat agreeable, balsamic. Taste is there is somewhat sweetish and slightly acrid. Size is to be vary in the size is not a perfect in size as well as the shape is there. Tears, masses or the lumps are there. In this one form, the drug is there should be available. Mostly the drug is there should be used as a expectorant. Now, friend, most of the time the difference is there should be asked regarding the Siam Sumatra benzoin and the Siam benzoin. In case of the physical properties, color, Sumatra benzoin is somewhat grayish brown color or gray color. Siam benzoin is somewhat yellowish color is there, yellow color is there. Yellowish brown to rusty brown color is there. Odor is there is to be somewhat aromatic in case of the Sumatra benzoin, and in Siam benzoin, odor is there is vanilla-like. Extra features, Sumatra benzoin is there should be available in the lumps of the varying size, tears which are externally yellowish milky white. Whereas Siam benzoin is somewhat hard, brittle masses, soften and on heating and burns with plastic. Solubility, both are there that are should be soluble in case of the alcohol. Standards, acid insoluble ash not more than 1% is of the Sumatra benzoin, and in case of the Siam benzoin it is not more than 0.5%. Then benzoic acid extractive, it is not less than 75%, not in case of the Sumatra benzoin, and Siam benzoin not less than 90%. Then loss on drying, in case of the Sumatra benzoin, it is not more than 10%. In case of the Siam benzoin, it is not more than 10%. Chemical component, Sumatra benzoin, it free balsamic acids of the benzoic acid and cinnamic acid. Then triterpenoids acids like sumaresinolic acid in case of the Sumatra, whereas in case of the cybenzoin and esters of coniferyl benzoate, then sterol, vanillin, and phenylpropyl cinnamate. These are the chemical components are there that are present in case of the benzoin. Now let's see the chemical test. When the benzoin you have to take in a test tube, then it is to that one you have to add KMnO4 solution. Odor of benzaldehyde is obtained. When the benzoin is to be treated with KMnO4 solution, odor of the benzaldehyde is there to be obtained. Second one, ether extract of the benzoin is to be treated with 2 to 3 drops of the sulfuric acid. The red brown color sumat is there is to be obtained in case of the Sumatra benzoin, whereas in case of deep purple color is obtained in case of the cybenzoin. This is the one test is there which distinguish the two drug by one taste. That is the ether extract of the benzoin is to be treated with the 2 to 3 drop of the sulfuric acid. If the Sumatra benzoin is there, it gives you reddish brown color, whereas the cybenzoin is there, it gives you a purple color. Just remember this one taste. Second one is the alcoholic extract of the benzoin is there is to be treated with alcoholic perchloride solution. In case of the Sumatra benzoin, you get green coloration, whereas in case of the cybenzoin, the taste is negative, means there is no any change in the color. This is the identification test for the benzoin is there. Now the same one, what is the taste we have to be observed? Alcoholic solution of the benzoin we treated with the water, milky white solution is there is to be obtained, which is acidic to the litmus. For GPAT, the question is there is to be asked when the benzoin alcoholic solution of the benzoin in water, which is milky white, which is acidic or alkaline, is acidic one. When the benzoin powder is slowly in a dry tissue is heated, it evolves irritating white color fumes. Whenever these one fumes are there that are contains crystalline, whitish crystalline sublimates at the upper part of the test tube is there is observed. The sublimates after cooling, the crystal of cinnamic acid is formed. This is about the benzoin. The next one drug is the colophony. Colophony, the synonym of this one drug is there, that is a rosin, colophonium, amber resin. Likewise, the various synonyms of this one drug is there. Biological source, colophony is a solid residue which is to be obtained after distillation of oleoresin from the various species of the Pinus, Pinus paltris, Pinus longifolium, Pinus radiate, etc. All these are there that are belonging to the family Pinaceae. What are the physical properties? Are there? Color is there somewhat amber color or pale color. Odor is there is a turpentine like odor is there. Taste is slightly bitter. Solubility, soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform, and slight petroleum. It is insoluble in water. Standards. The melting point of this one colophony is there is about 75 to 85. Acid value is not less than 150. Saponification value is 188 to 192. Ash value not more than 0.21%. The chemical components of this one drug is there is contain abatic acid. This abatic acid is mostly responsible for the color reaction. Resinous acid is also known as a abatic acid is there. It's about 5 to 6% of the resins, 0.5% of the volatile oil is there should be present. Other acids are present such as apine acid, then fumaric acid are there that are to be present. Uses, it should be used as a stimulant, diuretic. It is commonly used as ingredient of the plasters and ointments. Industrially, it is used in the manufacturing of the varnishes, painting ink, paints, soap, then wood polish, then cement, paper, plastic and fibers. For this one purpose, this colophony is used. Now let's check the test. Whenever this colophony is there, is to be taken in a test tube. In that one, when you are going to add alcohol or colophony is to be treated with alcohol, you are getting a milky white emulsion is obtained. Second one test, when the colophony is to be treated with acetic anhydride, to that one we are going to add 1 drop of sulfuric acid, a bright red color is obtained, which changes to the purple color because of abatic acid. When the acidic colophony treated with acetic anhydride, to that when you are going to add sulfuric acid, 1 drop of the sulfuric acid, immediately you are getting the bright red color, which changes to the purple color because of abatic acid. Sorry, violet color. This is because of the abatic acid. Now the next one is when the colophony is there, should be taken in a test tube. To that one we are going to add petroleum ether, and it is to be treated with petroleum ether. It gives you emerald green color. This color is there is used for identification of adulterant in colophony. If the adulterants are there that should be added, you are not getting emerald green color, or there is a change in the color is there that indicate that colophony is adulterated. Now the next one drug is there is aloe. The synonym of this one drug is there, that is a musabbar. Then Grita Kumari, aloe in Marathi is known as korphad. The biological source of this one drug is there. It consists of a dried juice which is obtained from the leaves of the plant Aloe barbadense. It is also known as Curacao aloe, Aloe peribaker, Socotrine aloe, Aloe ferox, then Aloe africana, then Aloe spicicata is there. All these are there, that is belonging to the family Liliaceae. In case of the physical properties, the texture is somewhat solid, waxy, masses are there with a shining property which are light in weight is there. Color is there is somewhat dark brown. Odor is there is somewhat characteristic, unpleasant. Taste is bitter. Solubility, it is soluble in case of the ethanol, alkali and glacial acetic acid. Partly soluble in water, chloroform and ether. These are the chemical components are there which are to be present in case of this one drug. It contains the 3 isomers, namely barbaloin, beta-barbaloin, and isobarbaloin. Alloimodine, alloresin, allosone, allotic acid, chrysopanic acid, chrysocinamic acid. Likewise, the various chemical components are there that are to be present in case of this one drug. The drug is there to be used to improve the digestion. Then in the treatment of ointment is used in sunburns, then thermal burns, radiation burns, abrasion, skin irritation, then moisturizer in various type of the shampoos, hand wash. The drug is there should be used as a moisturizer also. Then stimulant in somewhere in case of the nutritional therapies, the drug is there is to be used. It also stimulates immune system. Adulterants, natal alloy and mocha alloy is used as a adulterants. This is the figure of aloe juice. Now the taste, when the aloe is to be treated with the water and 0.5 gram keselgar is added to this one, what is the mixture is there is to be filtered. The filtrate is to be used for further taste. Filtrate, to that one we are going to add 0.1 gram of borax. Heat that one particular mixture. You are getting a green color fluorescence. Then taste solution. is to be treated with bromine solution. What is the test solution which is prepared in above? It is to be treated with the bromine solution. Here you are getting a yellow color precipitate that indicate that the chemical components are present in this one drug. Aloe filtrate, which is prepared initially, is to be treated with the 10 ml of the perchlorate solution. To that one, 5 ml of the hydrochloric acid is added. Heat that one particular mixture for 10 minutes, then cool it. Filter this one particular mixture to that filtrate when we are going to add benzene. Mix it properly, separate benzene layer, and to the benzene layer, when you are going to add ammonia solution, the ammoniacal layer gives you a pink color. This is the one test. Second one test, filtrate, which is treated with sodium nitrate. To that one, we are going to add acetic acid. Heat that one particular mixture. A reddish brown color is obtained. This is about aloe. Cuproline test for isobarbaline. Filtrate. To that one filtrate, we are going to add 5% of the copper acetate solution. Then saturated solution of the sodium chloride is added. Then 1 ml of alcohol is added. When you're going to add 1 ml of the alcohol, you are getting a pale wine red color. This mixture gives you pale wine red color on heating or warming. Last one drug is myrrh. The synonym of this one drug is there, that is a myrrh, gum, myrrh, bowl, gum, bowl. Likewise, the various synonyms of this one drug is there. Biological source myrrh is a oleogum resin which is to be obtained by making incision on the stem of the plant Commiphora mole, which belonging to the family Burseraceae. Color is externally reddish, internally somewhat brown. Odor is agreeable. Taste is aromatic, bitter. Size about 1.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Shape is irregular tears or the lumps. Solubility partly soluble in alcohol and ether. These are the chemical components are there. That is a cuminaldehyde, volatile oils are there, eugenol, gums, resins. It also contains resin acids such as the alpha, beta, and gamma. Then commiphoric acid is used as a carminative, antiseptic, uterine stimulant, protective, used in gargles and the mouth washage. Now the taste, when the myrrh is to be treated with water on saturation in a mortar and pestle, it gives you yellowish color emulsion. Yellowish white emulsion is there is to be obtained. Second one is when the myrrh is to be treated with ether. What is the ether extract of the myrrh is to be treated with the bromine vapors. Red color is obtained. With nitric acid, ether extract of the myrrh, that gives you a pink coloration. Sorry, the purple color is there should be shown by mistakenly, but it's a pink color is there is to be obtained instead of the red coloration with the nitric acid. Friends, if you are new to this one channel, request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.